So this is the next question from your exercise 13.2. Simplify this expression. So in these type of questions, when you have to simplify, you can just break down the numbers as the factors of prime numbers. So in the numerator, you have prime numbers, so that's okay. So the numerator can be written as 2 to the power 5 raised to the power 2 is there, and multiplied with 7 cube divided by 8 can be written as 2 cube, because the factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. So it can be written as 2 cube, then again the third power into 7. Now you know that a to the power m to the power n can be written as a to the power mn. Okay, so we will use this to solve it further. So here you will get 2 to the power 5 into 2 will be 2 to the power 10 multiplied by 7 cube divided by, here we will get 2 to the power 3 into 3, it will be 9 into 7. Now you can further solve it. So now the bases are same, some of the bases are same, so we can calculate the terms having the same basis. So here that is this 2, here the power is 10 and divided with 2 to the power 9, so it can be 2 to the power 10 minus 9 into 7. We have 3 divided by 7 again, so it will be 7 to the power 3 minus 1. Here which law we are applying? If we have a to the power m divided by a to the power n, so that can be written as a to the power m minus n. So we are using this law here. So here this thing, after solving, you'll get 2 into 7 square. So your answer will be 2 into 7 square 49, and that will be 98. So this is your answer. So answer of this question is 98. Now let's see another question. This is another question. 25 into 5 square into 10 t to the power 8 divided by 10 cube into t to the power 4. So here again we will do the same thing. We will break down this in the factors of prime numbers as a factor of prime numbers. So here 25 in the numerator, first I will write the numerator. So this is our numerator, divided by 10 cube into t to the power 4. So this is our numerator and denominator. Now we'll break down. So here this 25 can be written as 5 square. You know that 25 is 5 into 5, so 5 square is given. So we'll write it as it is, t to the power 8, and it's divided by 10. 10 can be written as 2 into 5, okay, whole cube into t to the power 4. Now our next step will be we can calculate the terms having the same power, same base. So here it is 5 square, and this is also 5 square, so it will be 5 2 plus 2 into, here we can calculate this t terms. T to the power 8 is divided by t to the power 4, so it can be t to the power 8 minus 4, and divided by this one will be 2 cube into 5 cube. Okay, let's see which laws we have used here. The first one is like we have used in the previous one, a to the power n, a to the power into a to the power n can be written as a to the power m plus n. Okay, so we have used here this one. And the second one, if we have a into b to the power n, so this can be written as a to the power n into b to the power n. So this we have used in this, and now we can calculate it. So we will get 5 to the power 4, and this we have 3 here, so it can be 5 to the power 4 minus 3, and this one will be t to the power 4 only, and in the denominator we will get just 2 cube. So after solving this, what we will get here? So after solving this, in the numerator we'll get 2 5 divided by 8. 2 to the power 3 is 8 into t to the power 4. So this is your answer. So this is your answer here. So this is the next one, third part. Here we have 3 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5, 25 divided by 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. So here also we'll do the same thing as the previous sum. First we will write the numbers as the factors of prime numbers. So 3 is already prime, so we'll leave it like this. The second one is 10. So 10 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power 5, and 25 can be written as 5 square. Then in the denominator, what we have in the denominator? In the denominator we have 5, leave it, prime number. Next one is 6, so 6 can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 5. So that's all we have. Now we will take the like terms together. So we have 3 to the power 5 in the numerator, but not any other term is there in the numerator having 3 as the base. So leave it. In the denominator we have this. In the next step we will take the denominator also. So here now this 2 into 5 to the power 5 can be written as 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5, and this 5 square was here. So here which law we have applied in this particular? We have applied the law which was a into b to the power m is equals to a to the power m into b to the power m. So we have applied this law here in this one. So now we'll write the denominator. So in the denominator we have 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. So the same law we have applied this one. 2 is a to the power m, and b is 3 to the power m. Okay, so now we will calculate it. So we have 3 here. So we have 3 to the power 5 here. Here also we have 3 to the power 5. So you can cancel out this thing. And 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5. You can cancel out this as well. So now what left? We will see what is left here. So the left we have 5 to the power 5. 5 plus 2, this will be 7. And here also again you have 7 in the denominator. So this one. So here in these two again we have applied. The law. Which law we have applied here? So this also I have discussed in the previous. A to the power m, a to the power n can be written as a to the power m plus n. So here I've used this one. And then in the denominator we have 7. So this 7 came from the denominator. Now what left in the numerator? Nothing else is left. So only 1 is left. So your answer will be 5 to the power 0. And 5 to the power 0 is 1. Why this law? Also we have a to the power 0 is equals to 1. Something raised to the power 0 is 1. So this is your answer. This whole expression will give result 1.